welcome to your final day of 8 days of Fitmas. You finally made it to day 8. Today we have a little bit of a longer word. We're going back to celebrate Hanukkah. Today's word is Sufganyot. Sufganyot is a jelly-filled donut with powdered sugar on top. Amazing. It's a long word and it's a Hebrew word. So I transliterated it, which means I took the Hebrew word and I made it into English. Let's break it down. S, upright rows. U, wide second alternating heel raises. F, standing ankle taps. G, alternating lunges. A, burpees. N, supine ankle taps. Y, butt kickers. O, squat twist. And T, alternating lateral lunge. We are doing 30 seconds of each exercise. I'm gonna use 10-pound weights for this strength. Feel free to use whatever you have at home or body weight. Let's get this going, starting with S. We have upright rows. Let's grab those weights in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Lift those weights up to your shoulders and graze them down. Up and down. So you're keeping those weights as close to your body as you can. Try your hardest not to shrug your shoulders up to your ears. Lift and lower. Time flies. 15 seconds in already, just 15 to go. We're going into you after this, which is wide second, alternating heel raise in 5, 4, 3, 2, here we go. Heels in, toes out, stay low. Lift your heel, lift your other heel. So your hips aren't moving unless you're ready to take it down an extra inch. Lift and lift, so everything stays nice and steady. Hey, we've done this a bunch of times. If you want an added challenge, try both at the same time. Find that balance, lift, lower, 15 seconds. We're going into F, which is standing ankle taps in 8 seconds. Ooh, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ditch those weights. Here we go, tap the inside of your ankle. So this can be your cardio move. Tap and tap. If you want more, you can add a jog. Up, up, up. So it's totally up to you. Whew. Get a nice stretch in your hip while you do this. Up, up. 10 more seconds here. And then we're moving into, what do we have for G? Alternating lunges in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Grab those weights, feet together. Take it back, step it in, switch it. Hover your knee underneath your hip, step it in. 20 seconds. Get your back knee as low as you can. Push into both your feet. Core stays tight. Woo. All right, 10 more seconds. And then we have, I can't memorize this. Oh, last A, I promise. In 3, 2, burpees, let's go. Ditch those weights. Last round of burpees. Forever, at least through the challenge. Probably not forever, but you're gonna be a pro at burpees. Reach it, 15 seconds. Let me know if you were gifting this to your family. If you sent these videos to your family and they're like, why did you send this to me? 5, 4, 3, 2, on your back, ankle taps. Shoulders up, tap right, tap left. Shoulders stay up. Catch your breath here. Woo! Tap, tap. And we're heading into butt kickers. It's kind of a weird transition. Cardio to your back, back up to standing. Woo! Definitely the weirdest sequence we've had yet. Put the alphabet to sides. 8. Woo. 5, 4, 3, 2. Here we go, on your feet. Butt kickers, heels up. Jog it out, or one at a time. So you can always take out that jog. Heart rate's up, we're warm. We're finishing this challenge all out, as strong as we can. 15 more seconds, start speeding it up. Maybe pump those arms. Ooh, you've made it this far. Give me 10. What comes next? Squat twist, coming up in 5, 4, 3, 2. Weights or no weights, up to you. Let's go, squat it down. Shoulder to your opposite knee. Ooh. So those knees are pointing straight forward. Press into the heels. Pick up your knee and twist. 20 more seconds. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Ooh. Just 1 letter to go. Alternating lateral lunges. 5, 4, 3, 2. Here we go. Feet wide, toes forward. Press into your heels, press your hips back. Knee right over your ankle, lift. 10 seconds in, final 20 seconds of your 8-day challenge. We made it. 15. Woo. Last 10. Get nice and low. Take your time with this. Finish all out. You have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set your weights down. Done. Amazing job completing your 8 days of fitness. Let me know how you did. Thanks for staying motivated with me throughout this challenge. You guys crushed it. If you need some extra energy, extra momentum, keep doing this challenge over and over. Send it to friends and family so they can do it with you. It is always more fun with friends. I will see you guys in the virtual studio, and stay tuned because every month I'm going to be bringing a brand new challenge. So if you're not already a subscriber, make sure to press that subscribe button so you know when the January challenge is starting. Woo!